Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and getting into settings. Back up now to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if needed. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. Scroll down and tap Control Center to view active controls and gestures. This step matters because you'll change what appears and how Control Center behaves. Make sure to keep the phone charged above 20% to avoid interruptions as you modify system toggles and remove items. Now you'll remove individual controls and disable access points. Tap Edit or Customize, then use the red minus buttons to remove items like Home, Wallet, or Media controls. Drag any remaining controls to reorder them. Next, disable access on lock screen and access within apps if you want Control Center blocked in those contexts. This reduces accidental activation. Make sure to confirm each removal. Changes apply immediately, so observe the finish by testing. Swipe from the usual corners or edge to open Control Center and verify removed items are gone. If changes don't take effect, restart the device first and make sure no iOS update is pending that might block settings. If problems persist, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset All Settings. This preserves data but returns system settings to defaults. One tip: if Control Center still behaves oddly, reinstall the latest iOS or contact support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.